Hello everyone, BB Productions here. Welcome back to the channel. I went to the Lego store and this is what I got. The 1989 Batwing. So I should not be building this. That is a heck lot of pieces and the figures are awesome. So this video is basically going to be me building and reviewing this $200 set. So let's get into it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, extra bag, and instructions. So this is about 16 bags, and the theme matches perfectly. Stickers, and a humongous instruction book. So it starts off with this page and this awesome photo. And it shows both sets released for this theme, the Batwing and the Batmobile. So right off the bat, you get this awesome Michael Keaton Batman figure. The cowl is kind of like a one molded hard rubber, and it's really nice. Very nice torso printing on the front and back, and it still has the same Batman face expressions LEGO uses every year. Now it is time for the time lapse. Okay guys, the set is complete, and before I get on to the review, I just have one thing to say. Building the bottom actually sucks. I am not attaching the bottom. It fell off a million times. It does not stay. You have to literally push as hard as you can to make them like connect. It does not work. But other than that, it is an awesome set, and let's get on to the review. So I already reviewed the Batman, so let's review the other two figures. So here we have one of Joker's henchmen. His face printing is awesome. He comes with this really cool accessory, and his torso printing is awesome. And next up, we have the Jack Nicholson Joker in his black and white uniform, and it's really cool. I love the leg printing. It's just awesome. And you get this really cool, detailed stand to display the minifigures on. Now on to the Batwing. Underneath, it has this little stand explaining basically everything about it. You can remove the cockpit, and it sucks because you can't put Batman in here because of his cape. It does have some pretty cool printing in the inside though. And it does have this little trunk that you can open up and put some things inside of there. You have these two adjustable wings. You get 4 missiles and 2 of these humongous guns. And overall, the top just has this awesome design. And the stand perfectly fits underneath the Batwing. Now, is it worth $200? I would say yes. You get 3 awesome, really cool minifigures and this humongous build. But this set is definitely more on the collector's side. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.